Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's get a quick update on XPR Network. So as you can see, XPR Network has been stuck in this range since February 2nd, and we are now March 11th, and we have found this nice line of support at the 34 at the 0.0034 line. Let's see if we can bounce up. Things are looking bearish across the markets, stock market, cryptocurrency market, with fear on tariffs and inflation possibly going up. Let's see if the markets can recover and we can push back up. Recently, we just had the crypto summit. Let me share that screen real quick. So at the crypto summit, we had Trump, David Sachs, the crypto czar, and a bunch of other people. Also, Brad Garlinghouse from Ripple was also there. So we have this OCC's new guidance, mark shifts in U.S. crypto banking regulations. Let's go see what the OCC does. So the OCC, the Office of Comptroller of the Currency, OCC is the U.S. government agency that regulates and supervises banks and savings associations. I found an interesting article from 2021 about Metallicus. They actually applied for a bank charter. Let me find that page. So we were on CoinDesk. So here we go. So crypto startup MetalPay files for national bank charter. Let's go down here. So the startup cloud charter application for the first blockchain bank and trust NA. This was on February 3rd of 2021. Yeah, this article is from 2021. So MetalPay will shortly file applications with the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, and the Federal Reserve Bank of San Francisco, Hayner said. So Marshall Hayner, the CEO of Metallicus, is go down here more. So Hayner said MetalPay is the first to pursue full banking licensure. It wants to accept cash deposits alongside the crypto, and it wants those cash deposits to be insured by the FDIC. The application will now enter a 30-day public comment period before it can proceed a consideration. Hayner expects the OCC to render a decision within 4 months. This never came through, and let's go to our trusty Grok. So, as the latest available information, Metallicus, the company behind the proposed first blockchain bank and trust, has not received final approval for a full national bank charter from the U.S. Office of the Comptroller, the Currency, OCC. And then here we go more. So without an official statement from Metallicus or the OCC post 2021, it's reasonable to conclude that as of now, the first blockchain bank and trust has not been officially chartered as a national bank. So this was normal in 2021 because Joe Biden's administration was very strict with cryptocurrency companies. Anything to deal with cryptocurrency was seen as too risky. But now with the new administration, with Trump in there, we have this article from Forbes, and it looks like the OCC, they are more pro crypto now. They are more lenient towards crypto, and they want more innovation. So here we go. So coinciding with the first ever White House crypto summit, the Office of Comptroller of the Currency released a series of interpretive letters signaling a tangible shift in U.S. regulatory attitudes towards digital assets. So I'm thinking that the OCC will now possibly, if Metallicus does go ahead and apply again for bank charter, I think this time the OCC will approve Metallicus. Let's go and see if there's any more information. So that's that. And let's also check this out. So we have this other article from Forbes from 2024. So Being Social and Metallicus are banking on blockchain in 2024. And here we go. So meanwhile, Metallicus is not the only potential partner of credit unions as Being Social, a company running on the Hedera hashgraph. So as HBAR offers what it describes to as the only crypto exchange for credit unions to offer a unique known to the customer KYC. Being Social is also aiming to get a charter as a credit union that would be called DeFi Federal Credit Union. So let's go down some more. So in addition, the Federal Reserve, as well as the FDIC and the Office of Control of the Currency (OCC), have identified the risk associated with crypto and required banks to obtain additional supervisory approval prior to engaging in any cryptocurrency services. So yeah, these articles are from 2021, 2024, May 6th, 2024. With the Biden administration, like I said earlier, they were very strict with cryptocurrencies, but now with Trump in there, it looks like the OCC, they are getting more and more softer on cryptocurrency. Let's see if this administration will eventually give Being Social and Metallicus more room to operate with banks. So here we go again. So historically, the LCC has been cautious about allowing banks to engage in cryptocurrency related activities, requiring additional approvals and imposing high scrutiny. However, under the leadership of acting comptroller Rodney E. Hood, appointed in early 2025, the OCC is now adopting a more innovative, friendly approach, aligning with their broader efforts to integrate digital assets into the mainstream economy. This makes me very, very bullish for Metallica, for Metal Pay, for XPR Network, and even for HBAR. They tried before 6 years ago to get bank charters, but the older administration wouldn't let them. Let's see if now with Trump in there, we can get this to happen. Let's also, before we leave, let's go see what's in store for this week. So here we go. So March 12th. Yeah, so March 12th. In a few minutes, actually, it'll be March 12th here in Arizona. So here we go. So this is very important. Let me zoom in. So we get CPI at 5:30 in the morning. So we get month over month and year over year. So the forecasted for year over year is 2.9%. If it comes in lower, that's great. If it comes in lower, it means that Jerome Powell will see lower inflation. He's also seen the stock market not do well at all. The market's been on a lot in these past few days. If he sees inflation's coming down and the stock market isn't doing well, Jerome Powell will more likely be more prone to cut rates. Let's go get a quick look at the S&P 500 futures before we leave. Yeah, the futures are way down a lot actually. So to the 30-minute chart. So March 11. Yeah, so we are down a lot. So we did fall about 2% in the past 6 hours, but we are starting to recover. Traders are probably awaiting this important information that we have today at 5:30 in the morning, which is like in 5 hours. Let's see if CPI comes in lower than expected. If it does, that's great for the stock market, for cryptocurrency, for the economy, for them to cut rates. So let's see what happens. And that's what I have to say. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.